Want to run AI completely free and fully offline on your basic 8 GB laptop? Watch this quick guide to set up Ollama locally right now. Let's dive in now. Head over to Google right now and type Ollama with me. Spot that very first result. That's the official Ollama website. Click it to begin the setup now. Let me zoom in close so you can see everything clearly. Here is the download button right ahead. So let's click it right now to see where this takes us. They offer install options for Mac, Linux and Windows, each with ready to copy commands. Since my operating system runs Linux, I will copy the command. Now we jump into our terminal for the best part. I will paste that copied command and hit enter. Type your password, then watch the download start now. I will skip ahead through the download for you right now. Once it finishes, paste this next command to grab the amazing QN model for offline AI usage. Now that everything is installed and ready to go, let's test our offline setup. Watch how incredibly fast our local AI responds to this prompt right now. Type a quick greeting like hello and hit enter to see the magic happen. Notice how it processes inputs locally on your laptop without any cloud servers. Look at that instant response. It works amazingly well. Now let's push this local AI further by testing out a cool coding task right now. Are you ready? We will give it a classic to some problem and let the AI pick its favorite programming language. Hit enter, watch it think and view the generated code. Look at that. It is writing out the complete solution right before our eyes, just like top cloud based chatbots, but running completely offline locally.